Okay, so this is our first class for our beginner, and for this class actually we need to practice how to make perfect circle without any instrument. So with this actually we need pencil and eraser, and with this you understand, you have to understand, because when we write something we always hold pencil like this, but we draw something we need to hold our pencil in many ways. And when I'm going to make a circle I need to hold my pencil like this. Okay, so here I'm just going to try. Maybe in a first time you cannot make a perfect circle, but for this you have to practice. So practice like this. This is our actually first lesson of drawing. Practice makes you perfect. And I am sure you can see my page clearly. Okay. So just practice on this. You can see that I'm going to little perfect, right? Okay. So here I just want to tell you one thing. With our first chapter and with the first class, I'm just going to teach you, please practice on these things first. Okay, and in next class I will teach you how to draw, or how to draw face in many angles. Okay, so you just practice on this first and we will meet in our next class. Bye, take care.